Hi friends, my name is Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So in the recent question we discuss how we can refer static method, Okay, so method reference we discussed there. So we already discussed that. We can refer static method, we can refer instance method, and we can refer constructor also. So in this question we have to discuss how we can refer an instance method, guys. So let's say, okay, let's see what with one example, guys. So like suppose we write a class, and the class name we write for example a112. Okay, and in this class suppose we write, okay, public void and show like a method, okay, or m1 or m2 method. And then for example here suppose I write integer I is equals to 1, I less than is equals to 10, okay, and I plus plus, guys. So we write something like this, okay. And then after suppose I want to print, okay, like one value of I, okay, value of I, and this value of I want to print, okay, by giving some interval. So I will say thread dot slip, guys. So now, okay, interval I write 500, and this statement can generate an exception. So hence we will surround with try and catch, guys. So now then, okay, we will say interrupted exception here, interrupted exception, and ex, guys. Okay, press out, and we will say, okay. So now this method I want to refer. So now then after we will say psvm, guys. So we will create first of all what to refer instance method. So first of all we have to create the object of, okay, object of this class. Okay, we will create the object of this class. We will say a1, and then after new, okay, a112, okay, a112, okay. And now then after we will say runnable, and then after runnable r is equals to runnable r is equals to, okay, we have to say a1 colon, okay. Which method we have to refer? Show method we have to refer here, okay. Show method we have to refer here, hence we will write, okay, like this, guys. Or suppose okay, suppose we write show to method here again in the same class. Suppose we write show to method, and show to method going to print the value of like 21 to, okay, like 11 to 20 it is going to print, guys. So suppose we want to refer this method, so we can also refer this method, guys. Okay, we can say show to at here, okay. And then, okay, then, okay, we will say what we will say, okay, r okay. Then suppose, okay, we want to create a thread. This thread t is equals to new thread, okay. And we want to create a thread for this runnable, guys, okay, for runnable object, okay. For this runnable object we want to create a thread. So now then after we will say t dot start. So as soon as we start this thread, so now the show to method, okay, of a112 class, okay, will get called, guys. Okay, so now run file, you will see the output, guys. Okay, now you can see 11 12 13 14 up to 20 we will get output. So now suppose we refer show method at here, okay, show method at here, and run file, you can see, guys. Okay, so as soon as we start this thread, okay, so this runnable will execute this show method, guys. So in this way we can refer instance method, guys. Got it, guys? A reference to an instance method. Got it, guys? So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Okay, thank you.